IoT devices, sensors, connected machines, and smart systems are generating more data than ever before. Some organizations see this as a challenge, but you can see it as an opportunity instead. Every piece of data tells a story about how a product is made, how a machine performs, and how a process can be improved. The key is turning that data into actionable insights. AI algorithms can detect patterns that humans might miss, forecast potential failures, and optimize operations in real time. For example, predictive maintenance can identify equipment issues before they lead to downtime, keeping production lines running smoothly. From the customer's perspective, that translates into reliable delivery, consistent quality, and a product they can trust. Too often, digital initiatives are framed purely in terms of efficiency or cost savings. Those are important, of course, but they are secondary if we forget the customer. The real power of IoT and AI comes when we use them to enhance the customer experience. Imagine a scenario where a medical device manufacturer can monitor the performance of their products in the field in real time. Data from IoT-enabled devices provides insights into how hospitals are using equipment when maintenance is needed and where design improvements could have the biggest impact. AI then processes this information, providing actionable recommendations to the engineering team. The result? Faster problem resolution, improved product design, and a stronger, trust-based relationship with the customer. Digital transformation isn't confined to the factory floor. IoT and AI also bring end-to-end visibility across the supply chain. From raw material sourcing to final delivery, connected systems allow us to track components in real time, identify bottlenecks, and respond to disruptions quickly. For instance, if a supplier is experiencing delays, AI-driven analytics can evaluate alternative sources, predict the impact on production schedules, and provide actionable recommendations, all before the customer even notices. This type of foresight is what turns a standard supply chain into a resilient, customer-focused network. Operators on the line gain better visibility into equipment performance. Engineers get real-time feedback on design improvements. Quality teams can detect trends before they escalate into problems. Everyone becomes more informed, more empowered, and more aligned around a single goal, delivering an exceptional experience for the customer. Digital transformation is no longer optional. It's essential for manufacturers who want to remain competitive. But the ultimate goal isn't just smarter machines or faster processes. It's smarter decisions, stronger relationships, and better outcomes for the customer. IoT and AI give us the tools to anticipate demand, prevent failures, and optimize operations in ways that directly improve the customer experience. But technology alone isn't enough. It takes leaders willing to embrace change, teams committed to learning, and a culture that puts the customer at the center of every decision.